What's going on, everybody? It's Casual Aquatics and it's raining cats and dogs. Have you ever tested the pH of your rainwater? I don't know, probably not, but I just got the random idea to go ahead and try it, see what it would be. I got my little vial and I got my pH tester from my master test kit. I'm gonna capture some of this here water. Oh yeah. Oh, it's going down my back. Oh. Alright, everybody, you seen it. I captured this right from that rain. I'm gonna try to put the 2 drops in there. Give me just 1 second. Shake the living crap out of it. Alright, everybody, I came back inside to finish this because it was raining really bad and I was tired of screaming. So, it's like a light green. If you look at your master test kit chart, this is roughly in between 6.4 and 6.5, which is contrary to our public water, which is liquid rock. Like, my pH is normally 8.6. So, this was a fun little experiment. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it before.